So, after my last video with liquid metal, I used JB Weld, and it didn't work. So, in this video, I picked up some actual thermal grizzly conductonaut, the real liquid metal stuff, and we're going to apply it to that same Q9400, and we'll see what the results are. So, come check it out. Alright, now for some testing. Here we have an average temperature of 32.9 before the JB Weld was applied. This baseline reading shows us exactly what we should be looking for with a soldered IHS. At 100% load, 38.8 C average is the perfect temperature for our CPU. After a few more minutes at 100%, it managed to reach 39.2, and I am totally okay with that. And always keep in mind that a water cooler has 2 points of failure, the pump and the fan. If the pump goes out, most likely your CPU will die. Now here we can see that the JB Weld does not transfer heat as well as the solder. We reached an average temperature of 62.8.
Right away at startup, our idle temperature is 32.8 degrees.
This is exactly what we should expect given the conductivity of the liquid metal. And finally, with 38.1 C average, we see that the liquid metal has almost the same exact conductivity as the solder. And my helper, Edna, doesn't seem to care either way. None of this stuff interests her. I also took a temperature reading of 23.6 degrees to show that it wasn't too hot or too cold that day during testing. On the other hand, Edna was 30.5 degrees and disinterested. The air going into the front of the PC was about 24.7 degrees. After about an hour of 100% load, the CPU only ever reached about 38.7 degrees. I'm Aaron with AF Tech. Thanks for checking out my video on liquid metal. It was really fun to make, and always remember to like and subscribe.